Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize marketing strategies with Mailchimp. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Audience tab to access your contact list. If you don't have an audience set up, create one by selecting Create Audience. Import your contacts easily by clicking on Add Contact. Next, head over to the Campaigns tab. Click on the Create Campaign button to start your marketing campaign. Choose the type of campaign that fits your marketing goals. For an email campaign, select Email and name your campaign. Customize your audience by selecting the contacts you want to target. Design your email by using one of the pre-made templates or building your own from scratch. In the design editor, add engaging content, eye-catching images, and clear calls to action. Preview your email to ensure everything looks correct and functions properly. Once satisfied, click on Send or schedule your campaign for a later time. After your campaign is sent, monitor its performance through the Reports tab. Review key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use these insights to refine your marketing strategy for future campaigns. Consider segmenting your audience based on their interactions with previous emails. This allows for more targeted and effective campaigns moving forward. Finally, continuously test different elements like subject lines and content formats. Apply what you learn to enhance your overall email marketing strategy with Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.